We're going to learn how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square right now. To complete the square, there's a specific process, and this will work with any standard form quadratic function, a process that we can use anytime when factoring especially does not work. So in order to complete the square, let's show you an example. If we have x squared plus 4x minus 7 equals 0, the first thing that we're going to do is clear off the C spot. So the spot here where C is, and remember, ax squared plus bx plus c. So the x to the 0 term, we need to get it over to here. So to do that legally, we add 7 to both sides. That gives us x squared plus 4x plus blank. I'm going to draw a blank there for now because we are going to put something there, equals 7. What goes right here is going to depend on the b term. So that 4. And there's a specific formula that we use, and it is quantity of b divided by 2 squared. So in this case, that is going to mean that we put 4 over 2 quantity squared right there. When we put it right there, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So we add 4 right here. Well, we can't just arbitrarily add 4 to this side, left side of the equation, without doing it to the right side. So we're going to have to add 4 to that side on the right also. So we'll get x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 11. Now we can factor the left side. It is now factorable, and we can solve this. So remember, backwards FOIL. What makes x squared? It's x times x. The last times the last. We have the options of 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. 2 and 2 can add up to make 4, so that is what we're going to use. So plus 2 and x plus 2. Notice that is a perfect square. So we could also write it like this. X plus 2 quantity squared equals 11. That's the form we want it in. We will continue over here. The quantity of x plus 2 quantity squared equals 11. We can now take the square root on both sides. Remember, when we take the square root of both sides, we're going to get two answers, a positive and a negative. So x plus 2 quantity squared inside of there equals the square root of 11. On this side, the square root and the square cancel, so we're left with just x plus 2 equals positive or negative the square root of 11. We can leave this in radical form. To get x by itself, we have one more thing we need to do. We need to subtract 2 from both sides. And the way this is going to look and represent two answers, we get x on the left-hand side. We're going to put this number out front of the radical. So negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 11. So that is the final answer. And what it means is the two answers that we have is one time through, we take negative 2 plus whatever radical 11 is, and we would take negative 2 minus radical 11. Those would be our two solutions and how we'd get an approximation on a calculator.